Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video and this is a little bit different for me, but I partnered with the brand Just4Kira. They are a colored contact lens company, and that might seem weird because I have a very interesting eye color and I get accused of having contact lenses in all the time. So they partnered with me and I'm really excited to show you guys some of the lenses that I have been trying out and which ones are my favorite. Now, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what the contact lenses look like on Hazel eyes and which pairs are my favorite, just keep watching. Okay, so they sent me 4 different pairs. They let me choose and I was looking at the ones that I thought might look the best on Hazel eyes. A lot of the TikToks or pictures I was seeing, they had brown eyes. They didn't really have, I don't know, extremely different. For me, I've always been accused of wearing contact lenses because my eyes are naturally hazel, and depending on like how I feel, they can be lighter, they can be a little bit darker. I was told when I'm angry, they look a little more red. And I was just like, I've never seen that. Or if I'm really happy and excited, I have more of a like light green in the center. I don't know, does that make sense? But I've always been super infatuated with how my eyes look. But at the same time, I've always wondered what my eyes would look like with contact lenses, specifically colored contact lenses. So 4 different pairs, and they let me choose the ones that I wanted. There's 2 that I'm like super drawn to and I wear quite a bit and I have a lot of fun with them. But I'm gonna start with the ones that I like, but they're not like my favorites and I don't wear them as often, but they're still very beautiful. And depending on your eye color, they might look different on you as well. One of the cool things, along with getting the contact lenses, so they come in a box that kind of tells you some details about it. Mine don't have a prescription. So these are Gem Gray, which are gonna be the first ones I try. They do come with a little case. So it has a little like thing to pick them up, as well as a little kind of cup type of thing to help place it on your eye. Now, if you don't like seeing people touch their eyeballs, you don't have to. I'm going to fast forward during that portion because not everyone likes seeing someone touch their eyes. It kind of like makes their skin crawl. I don't have an issue with it, but not everyone else feels the same way. So let me go ahead. So the first ones I'm going to put on are Gem Gray. And I don't know if you can really see, they kind of have like a blue-green tint to them. They are quite interesting when you put them on. So let me go put them on. I'm only gonna do one so you can see the difference between both of my natural eye and the contact lens, but I'll be right back. Okay, so this first one that I tried is Gem Gray. And when you look at it, you're gonna be like, that's not gray. Well, remember, I have naturally hazel eyes. So the gray actually looks like it's kind of green. At least I think so. It kind of has like a blue tinge, almost teal. I really like how it looks, but this is my natural eye. This is the Gem Gray eye contact. And then I don't have a prescription because my eyes are 20/20. So you can also get that customized, which is amazing because I don't know about you, no one wants to wear colored contacts and then have to wear prescription glasses because their contacts don't have the prescription. Let me go switch out for the next pair. Okay, you guys, this one is Gem Coco, and when I reveal it, you might be like, what the heck? But it is a lot of fun. Do you see it? It's got like a ring around the outside where it kind of has like a pinky hue and then brown on the outside. But when you're looking at someone from far off, it almost has a red ring is what I've been told by my friends. It's quite interesting, especially for hazel eyes to a greenish pink to red. I didn't even show you what it looked like to begin with. But when you look at it, and it's this one right here, it looks like it's kind of pinky in hue. but it is so much fun when you look at it, and it might trip people out just looking at the outside of your eye. The next one, let me preempt this one. This next one, I had so much fun. I ended up wearing these out with one of my friends the night I made my TikTok, because I did a first impression TikTok on them. This is the pair that I ended up wearing out, and it is so much fun. This one has little stars and like a galaxy. This is the NASA blue. It is so cool looking, and I can see the little stars right now on them. I'm so excited to put them back in, but they are not the pair I plan on wearing for the rest of the night. Okay, these are so much fun. And I don't know that you're gonna be able to see it on camera, but up close, the stars are super cute. So natural hazel eyes, NASA G blue. And I thought it was super cool, especially to have like the little tiny details of the stars. And the cool thing is I cannot see them with the contact in. So it's not something that obscures your sight or anything like that. I can still see clearly. I do use a contact solution. So I have the Bio True from Bausch & Lomb. If you have contact solution or contacts that you use, it'll be fine. But you do want to have something that's going to clean your lenses each time and lubricate them before you put them in. I can honestly say before I tried these lenses, I have never put contacts in before. And it was so easy, especially because the little applicator that they send. So you've got the little pincher do to pick up your contact lens. And then this has like a little angled cup on it that you can place the lens on and then apply it to your eye, so you don't even have to touch it with your fingers. It is so nice because each case that they send to you has that in there, and it makes it so easy. But I really like this. I love the blue shade, and then I love the little details of the stars and like the galaxy. We do have one more pair, and this is the pair that I decided I wanted to wear the rest of the night. This is Sitha Gray. If you look at them, they're just kind of very light pale, but there is a gray around the edge. Okay, the one thing I like about my eye color naturally is that it's got the light green. The Sitha Gray makes it even lighter. It kind of looks trippy when you're first like looking at it, but it takes a second to get used to. It is quite interesting, and I really like this pair. Between the NASA G Blue and the Sitha Gray, I tend to wear these the most just because they are very interesting to me. I like my light green on this side, but these almost look cat-like with the yellow. I don't know, let me know your thoughts. Which ones are your favorites? Are you gonna try them out? Definitely look up Just4Kira. I'll put their link down below. There is also a discount code for you to use and save some money. But I had so much fun trying out their lenses, and I wanna pick up some more. I don't know which ones yet. So definitely check them out. Let me know if you pick any up, which ones you try out and how they look. Okay, you guys, now I have both lenses in, and you can see the full effect with both of the Sitha Gray. I love this look actually. It's quite interesting, very light for compared to how my natural eyes are, but I feel like they're a lot of fun. Let me know your thoughts, comment down below. Absolutely interested in knowing your thoughts. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.